stiamo arrivando al castello, manca poco, ancora qualche 20 km, poi ci siamo. Hi there and welcome to another video. Today we are here in Bavaria, Deutschland, and we will have a small flight nearby. Neuschwanstein castle. Very nice castle built by Imperator Ludwig. If you have a chance, go visit it. Today we'll only have a flight nearby it on fresh powder snow, as you can see from here, right? But the drone doesn't care, he can fly above the snow. So this is a ski resort. You shouldn't fly on ski resort normally if they're crowded, but today is a special day, it's actually closed, so good day for flying outside. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.